Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the gear. That's the fastest route to audio. Turn on the K9 receiver first, then the transmitter so they can find each other. Make sure both batteries are charged and installed correctly. Low power causes pairing failures. Once the LEDs blink, the units are in pairing mode, so move on immediately to the iPhone. Keep the microphone within 3-5 feet while pairing to avoid dropouts, and silence other Bluetooth devices to reduce interference. Next, set the iPhone to accept the K9 as an audio source. Open Bluetooth and confirm the K9 shows up. If you're using the Lightning to 3.5mm adapter, plug the receiver in securely and listen for a connect tone. Then open your recording app and choose the external microphone as input or check Control Center's audio routing menu. Once done, watch the app's input meters to verify signal. If levels are low, adjust transmitter gain or move closer, and then record a quick test clip. Finish by confirming clean audio with a short test clip and listening back through headphones. If you hear nothing, first reseat cables and recheck batteries, then reopen the app and reselect the external mic. Sometimes iOS prefers a restart. If you get static or dropouts, switch the K9 to another channel or increase antenna distance from Wi-Fi routers. Sometimes simply moving a foot or two fixes it. Lastly, update firmware if available, and always carry spare batteries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.